What's going on, guys? This is Danny from Slow Restoration. We're in the Finding Fast Motorsports garage, and there has been a big change to the face of Finding Fast Motorsports and Slow Restoration. Are you ready? The mustache is gone. I know. Some of the new subscribers may not have ever actually seen me without a mustache unless you went back and saw some of the older videos, but it was time for it to go, and we'll revisit it maybe in the fall, see if I want to grow another one. But for now, we're clean shaving and we need to get back to work and get this rusty hunk of junk out of my garage. And we got the trans out. Came out fairly easy. Like I said, it's much easier with the cab off. Not a whole lot different, just like accessing these upper bolts is definitely easier, but we got that out, sitting over here. It was a good trans, so if anyone's interested and they use 4L60, there you go. But for now, I believe that's all we're going to take off this. There is some good wiring still on it, but you know, I can't foresee me ever using it, so off to a scrapyard this whole rusty frame goes. So let's give it the boot, kick it out that door. The tractor's waiting out there to move it, so let's get it out. Nice. Perfect spot, awaiting its trip to the scrapyard. It looks like we need to make a run here real soon. We're getting quite a pile here, so maybe we'll try and get that done this week. Got another one to get in, do a few things to it, so let's get this pulled in, get it knocked out. We're going to change the front and back differential fluid, gear lube out. There's no drain plugs on either one of these, so the only way to do it, you could suck it out, but really the best way is just pop the bolts out, pop the cover off, drain it, clean everything up, and then put refill. Both covers cleaned up on the inside and a little bit on the outside. Gasket surface is cleaned up. And of course, the gasket surface on the rear cleaned up. Now we are going to use the Permatex gasket maker for gear oil. I don't know if it's absolutely necessary, but they make it specifically for that, so that's what we're going to use. So let's get a thin bead spread on these covers, get them put back on. We can let them set up a little bit before we tackle that front seal. Now for filling up the differentials, like I said, the front has a removable screw out plug and the back actually has a rubber plug, but we have the plug removed, everything's tightened back up, and the front actually calls for synthetic 75-140. So that's what we're going to put back in. I think the back is just a synthetic 80/90. With the differentials filled up, topped off, plugs back in, we are finished this job. Everything's tight, wiped off, clean. It's a little shiny, but that's just because we wiped all that off. It's looking good. So, all right, guys, we're gonna get this off the lift, out of the shop, back to the customer. And thanks for stopping by, guys. And as always, have a good day.